Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in CorelDRAW we are going to create these swirl rings using a simple square and some properties. So let us begin. Let me delete this first. Now we need a square. Dimensions doesn't really matter, so you can create square of any dimension. Just press and hold the control key so that a square will be created. Now the important thing here is to use the corner radius. Now I'm going to lock this up so that all the corners get rounded together like this, and the value doesn't really matter, but just remember one thing: if you keep the value at a lower side, then the ring you will create will be thicker, and if you keep the radius on the higher side, then the ring that you will create will be a bit thinner. So the only thing this depends upon is the roundness of the corners, whether you want a thinner or a thicker ring. It is totally up to you. Now we need to open the transform panel first. Go to Windows and Dockers and transform. Again, you can always press Alt and F7 key to open this Docker. Now remember one thing: keep the copies to 8 and angle at 10 degrees and click on apply. So this basic shape is created. Now using the smart fill tool, we are going to create one single part of the ring that we are looking for, or that we are looking to create. Now using the smart fill tool, create the one portion like this. Simply click on the one certain line. Now once these parts are created, select them all, and using the shaping option, click on weld so that this one shape is created. Now using the interactive fill tool, color them or apply any color you want. So I'm going to use the usual yellow and orange color on the other side like this. So this is the orange color and the blue color. So this is how it will look. Now I'm going to I beg your pardon, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to keep this axis of rotation at the center of the main circle. This is very important. You have to keep it exactly at the center to get the desired result. Now I'm going to use the same transform Docker. Now I'm going to keep the copies at 35 because we already have one copy. So copies 35, again angle 10 degrees, and remember to keep the axis of rotation exactly at the center of this bigger circle and click apply. So this is how it will look. Now what I'm going to do is, before applying this transform option, I'm going to copy this so that I'll be able to use a different color combination for this particular shape. Now I'm going to again click again, make sure the axis of rotation is at the center of the bigger circle. Apply. So this shape is now created. Now select all the shapes and right click over here so that the outline is removed. So this is how it will look. You can always use the Alt key and right click to create some variation of the design. I will undo this. So this is one variation or one color combination. Similarly, if I want a different color combination, that is, again I'm going to use the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to keep it to this thing, maybe lavender or purple, and a bit different color, maybe a reddish color like this. So this is how it will look. Again we have to apply same number of copies, angle at 10 degrees, and make sure the axis of rotation or the center point is exactly at the center of the bigger circle. Again apply. So again another variation of this particular swirl ring is created. So this is as simple as that to create these kind of designs. So I'm keeping it at the center of the page like this, and just double click so that a rectangle is created. Apply black color. So this is how it will look. And remember, if you want variation in the thickness, keep the roundness of the corners less, so the thickness will increase. And if you keep the roundness at higher side, this thickness is reduced. Just remember that thing. So you can try it out. Different variation of color combinations, maybe different value of radius while rotating or while applying the corner radius, that is. So do give it a go, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.